Hey, IDS 302. Welcome to Module 6, Video 1. I'm doing this earlier than I thought I would. It's Sunday morning, Feb 14, 9 o'clock. I just wanted to start touching base with you. Yes, I'm going to do the survey video a little later after this today, but this is a good time to do this one. Let's quick talk about, some of that research that I mentioned. President's Day tomorrow, really? Some of the links I mentioned Thursday, was it, or Wednesday? Can't remember. No, it wasn't Wednesday. Talk about what I started with. I remember I was confused about it. So here's here's the link I had. I saw this on MSN, and it says diversity in law enforcement may improve policing. Study shows. Okay, these always pique my curiosity. Many of these when they mention a study. So I'm like, okay, what study? So I look. This is just how I do things, and you'll notice right in there somewhere there's a blue link, hot link, new study. Okay, so I went there, and it opened it up to this place, the science one, which I think I sent out then the other day, and there was all kinds of links. The role of officer race and gender in police civilian interactions in Chicago, and you look at it, and yes, it's research. I always like to check to make sure it's study research. What is that? I came up with that link. It's published by the American Association for the Advancement of Science. All right. There's the different details about it, and it was received for publication July 17, 2020, and then it was accepted for publication on December 7th. You see, there was this period in there where it was peer reviewed, okay, where it was submitted, they received it, and then they approved it, okay, accepted for publication, all right? So I just wanted to touch on that. That was where that all came from, and it's just about being a better consumers of knowledge, as I'm talking about, and not just taking everything at face value. If it's something of interest to you, or something I was, like I said, I got sent out a thing about the car, the fake thing, whatever. I spotted that. But hey, by the way, here's a good one. So these four guys at Penn State, you ever hear this one? Four guys at Penn State, are doing really well in this class. I can't remember what, some type of class, some type of sustainability class. I'm doing excellent in it, and all they had to do was the final. And over the weekend, instead of cramming or anything, they went to this cross town, this other university, and they just partied. They partied like, the end of the semester was there, which kind of was, but they had a final to do it. So they got blasted and they couldn't drive back. And so they spent the night. And by the time they did get back to Penn State, they were too late to do the final. So they approached the professor and they said, "Hey, we had a flat tire on our way. We went for the weekend. We shouldn't have. We had a flat tire. Can we get a break here?" Professor said, "Sure, you can come in tomorrow and I'll give you the exam." They're like, "Cool." So next day they come in, and the professor gives them each the exam, and they puts them in different rooms, each one in his own room, and they look, so their exam starts. First question is like a multiple choice. They got it great. That was easy. Second question was, which tire? So anyways, that was a good one. I was just told that the other day. All right, so faculty jokes. All right, so let's talk about Easter egg number 1. 3 disciplines. Why 3? Why 3? 3, 3, 3. Why am I doing 3? Why am I saying 3? Because you have 2 concentrations. This class is interdisciplinary inquiry skills, and the best way to do this one, in my opinion, is 3. They can be all year, both of yours plus 1. They can be one of yours plus 2. They can be any plus 3. Okay. If you do 2, here's the reason why. Because you'll see step 4, you're going to come up and you're going to start bouncing these off each other. If you do 2, you're just going beep, beep, beep. It's a binary thing. It's an either or. You're going to look at these, look at conflicts, obstacles, things like that, and that's it for 2. Okay, great, but let's take it to 3. Now you got to do this one off of this one off of this one, and this one off of this one. So now you've got three different. Before you only had one different, one relationship. Here you've got three. This one to this one, this one to this one, and this one to this one. Okay. So it's more work, but it's better experience and analysis. Now, what if you want to do four? Now you're asking for trouble because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've just doubled your work from 6. See, 2 is only one relationship. 3 is 3, and 4 is 6. You don't want to give yourself that much work. Not in this course. So, think it through. If you want to do it, go ahead, but you cannot get anything extra by doing it. In my opinion, you can only get worse because you're going to shortchange something. 3 is very solid. 3 disciplines is solid. All right. And when I say disciplines, call them fields, whatever, they're 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Right? You know, you got that. So that's why I want to see 3. All right. I want to see 3 in step 3. I want to see 3 in the discussion board. As you can see by the rubric I had, I never said 4 in there. I said 4 journals for 3 disciplines. I didn't say 4 disciplines, okay? 2 is minimal. You're really not going to wow anybody here, and you'll be able to get a decent grade or anything, but it's hard to really get the top scores when you only use 2, okay? All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? I mean, again, I appreciate the pushback. I like to keep it professional and not, you know, I don't want to really irritate anybody. I make a lot of mistakes in this job, as you do in yours, I'm sure. And if you don't know that by now, you better just start admitting it. That's how we get anywhere, right? Okay, so let's talk about Module 6. Can you believe Module 6 has come already here? We only have 7 modules here. Class ends 2 weeks from Tuesday. Seems like forever, and yet it seems like tomorrow, right? Let's see what we got. So I got to clean up Module 6 a little bit. Learning materials, we've got Tanner Chapter 12, the value of interdisciplinary studies. I have supplemental there. I hate supplemental. We have that in 301. Supplemental means, read it if you want, don't read it. I mean, the book is yours to read, okay? You're not going to be tested on 13, 14, and 15, and I don't think that you probably won't be tested on any of them, right? But this is for your own enrichment. All right, so I keep it simple. You should see the 301. It's tons already. Okay, there's a discussion board I have due on the 17th. You're going to read Benson and Newell. Did I add them here? I really got to look at this here. Okay, I got to clean this thing up. There's a problem. There's a discussion board in there, and I'll clean that up. You'll get it. I'll probably move it back to the 19th anyways, okay, because I want you to work on your surveys, all right? I'll put the survey link. You're going to post a link to your survey, and I'm going to show you how to do that in that video that I do. Okay, when you post it there, you're going to post a link and then hit enter, hot link it. Post a link, hit enter, hot link it. If you don't do that, people got to copy your link, move it over to their browser. Don't do that. I will ding you. If it's something that simple. It's thinking about your peers, your neighbors, your classmates. You post your link and you hit enter, okay? And it'll hot link it. Now, at the end of the day, I'll talk to you probably module 2 about participating in surveys, participating in your surveys of your classmates. I'm really going to ask you that because I do that a lot, and I notice some people just don't get any help. All right? I will do every survey that's posted, no matter how good or bad they are, okay? I do every single one, all right? But this is where you get your data. Then I'm going to tell you to send that link to other people. Post it on Twitter, post it on Facebook, post it on Gram, post it on the chat, post it anywhere you can post it. I don't know where you can post it. Hang it up in your grocery store. I don't know. Post it. Try to get, it's random adults. Try to get a diverse random adults. Stop telling me about the survey is going to survey Arizona State University students. No, it's not. Oh, it's going to be located in Tempe, Arizona. No, it's not. It's random adults. Okay, please stop overthinking it. It's random adults, 18 and over. By the way, if you put anything in your data about anybody under 18, you'll get a fail grade immediately, get a 0 on the paper, because that's against ethics. And going against ethics is almost as bad as plagiarizing, okay? So you know that. So keep it 18 and over, random adults, it's anonymous. I'll get into more of this in the survey, but I want to, let me just talk about step 3 real quick. You want to turn that in tonight, hopefully. Please, please, please just look at that video, look at the sample, follow these things in terms of formatting, and I know you'll get it. And if you give me, 4 sources from 3 disciplines, you're going to be great. Okay? If you do it the right way, you're going to be great. That's about as much as I can expect. If the sources are academic journals, use the same ones you found for the discussion. That's why we did it, to help jumpstart you. If you did add to it, great. You can use different ones. You can add to it. You can take some away, whatever you want to do. That discussion was just to help you to get to this point. Okay, it wasn't to make your workload double. All right. So, okay, that's step 3. Now for the surveys again, by the way, Easter egg number 2, surveys ASAP. Surveys ASAP. Again, wait till I put the video out, wait till I explain it, wait till you can digest what we're doing here with the survey. Should not be done half-assed, okay? Half-fast. Okay, so the survey, what I look at is this. Okay, so we got 2 weeks plus 2 days to go in the course, right? So this week, you're going to be working on your survey and you're working on step 4, all right? And I would like your survey to be posted by Friday or Saturday, something like that. Friday is probably the day I have it. I don't know. I got to check. Post it as soon as you can, as soon as you think it's right on the money. And then over the weekend, I mean, you should be getting data. We should be helping you to do your survey, but we should also be sending it anywhere else we want. Parents, relatives, friends, family, right? I don't want to see your data show 99% of everybody was your age and then there was me. That's not cool. So you want to get that done then, and that way, starting next week from Monday, when Module 7 starts, Module 7 then is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is 9 days. Okay, so it's longer, these modules, but it gives you a chance to take a breath, bad stuff out, good stuff in, and put your step 5 together, your analysis, your correlation, comparative, you'll see it. Put it all together, and then to, your data and stuff, and then to compile your paper, step 1 through 5, give it a cover, give it a works cited list, give it an appendix, don't take the appendix out. Give it an appendix, give it the page numbers, table of contents. It's going to be chef's kiss beautiful. You're going to upload it in Word. You're going to do everything you learned, and it's all there, and you'll put it in by Tuesday the 2nd. And there it is. There it is. And there it is. So the survey, though, like I said, we're not going to have a lot of time. That was one of those problems we have. Remember, we get a lot of time. Okay, how many responses am I supposed to get? That's a question I get a lot. I'd say this, okay? If you got 50, I'd be thrilled. If you got over 50, well, I mean, you're cheating. No, some people get 100. I'm just so happy they do. But, don't, I'm not saying don't cheat. I'm saying don't manipulate it. Just have whoever does it does it. You get a better sense. You get a good feeling. You should get everybody's class to do it. That's a 20 right there, probably. At least 15. Then you get other people, okay? So let's say that 30 is solid. I like 30. 30 to 40 is great. 30 to 50 is fabulous, You start getting to 20 to 30, okay. I mean, come on, push it. If you get less than 20, I'm like, seriously? And some people had less than 10 every now and then. I mean, what can I do? They get so upset. They get well, you can get your survey out there. You can't tell me you don't know people. You don't have social media. You can't get it to email people. You can, and you should, and you will, right? Okay. So you want to get those responses in. All right. Now, putting a survey together, something that I'm going to go through today. I'm going to put a video up that's just going to be my screen. It's going to be one of those screen videos, and I'm going to show how to build it, okay? It's going to be important to note certain aspects of the type of questions you're going to have to ask, okay? Now, I don't like reviewing people's surveys, like they send it to me first before they post it or anything like that. But this class is small enough that I could do that, okay? So if you're interested and you want to throw something together by Tuesday or Wednesday and you want to send it to me, fine. I'll take a look at it, okay? All right. I'm not going to pre-grade it or anything, but I will give you my opinion on it because I like when surveys are good. It's not an easy thing to do, but it's really not as hard as you think either if you really take the time to think it through and don't try to just blow through it, okay? It's a cool thing. So we'll talk about that. All right. And of course, Easter egg number 3, I didn't have one. And I will call step 3, Easter egg number 3. We're only at 16 minutes. You got time. Let me sit here and think, right? No, let's see. So we talked about surveys, talked about module 6, step 4. We'll get a lot more into step 4 probably on Wednesday. I'll do the next video because I'm not sure, but if you need any help with step 4 before that, let me know. In the meantime, what it was last week? What was last week's module list? Easter egg number 3. Oh, I used 3 disciplines. Oh, come on. See, I did it already, right? I mean, I've said that. So Easter egg number 1, yeah. So let's call this one. I already said surveys ASAP. Oh my God. All right, this one is 2 weeks to go. Let's just call it 2 weeks to go. I want to make you sweat. No, so you'll be fine. 2 weeks to go. Okay. So contact me with questions, comments, concerns. I'm getting caught up around here. Look at, I'm doing interior decorating. Got my plants going. Got my getting some drapes put up here later. So I got time. Let's talk. We can talk. Okay. Forks up. Peace.